A report was also filed from the disaster-prone area of New Haven. New Haven, population 7,000, is a low-lying community at the bottom of steep hillsides next to the Duane River. The river regularly overflows its banks during heavy rains and storms. The passage of Hurricane Beryl left the community marooned. Brittany Walker filed this report as the hurricane approached and also after its passing.
The community of New Haven, St. Andrew, is always affected by heavy rainfall. This was no different during the passage of Hurricane Beryl.
New Haven is frequently flooded due in part to climate change, which has caused more frequent and intense storms and hurricanes. Climate change has contributed to gullies being overwhelmed, resulting in flooding, a scenario residents of New Haven frequently face.
Well, it's hurricane is so serious, not just it's better than Gilbert. Just come up with some more stuff, you know. Batten it down, put on some black on it.
They are appealing to the relevant authorities for help.
My preparation for this weather, this storm that is coming, I have to ice up everything in my house because when the rain fall, the hill bursts, come down like Duns River fall. We have all the water from up in the people that will live up in the hill come right down back on us. We get a lot of red dirt and stuff like that. I get a lot of things damaged when the rain fall. When the rain fall in New Haven, it's a disaster. We don't have any gully clean. Our gullies need to clean and dig down because basically we can walk through the gully and all of that contribute to the flooding when rain fall. We would really love to get some assistance with the gullies that are down here so that when the rain fall, it don't impact us that much, as in flooding out our house. We can't afford to ice it sometimes, so we have to do other preparation like putting blocks, 2-3 blocks height we have to put things them on, put to bed them on it. It's a disaster when rain fall in New Haven.
They are also asking for collective attention to be paid to the effects on the community as a result of climate change. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Brittany Walker.